Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are good and spending a beautiful day with the great health. So today I am here with my another video, and today the topic of my video is about high pencil heel in really different kind of color combinations and in really fantastic kind of designs that can help you to upgrade your wardrobe and make it more amazing and make it more fantastic. And as you see, this color combination looks really good. It's really unique kind of color combo that look really good, and this the net fabric looks really beautiful, and this is a really beautiful like material and the color. And as you see, this design looks really beautiful, really good kind of colors. And as you see, this is a golden color and the shiny thing that look really amazing, and it's a really different kind of heel, really unique. And this color looks really nice, and the shiny thing, it look really beautiful, like belly kind of heel it is. And as you see, this color combination looks really beautiful, and this shiny thing look really amazing. And as you know, heel come in various kind of design and different patterns and textures, and this green color looks really beautiful, a really good and really different kind of colors. And as you see, this yellow color heel looks really beautiful, the two different shades of yellow. And heel will give you a temporary height boost that can make you taller. And as you see, this combination looks really beautiful, it look really beautiful with your eastern kind of dresses. And this the really different kind of colors and design, and this heel looks really beautiful and really beautiful kind of designs. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon, and like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So today's video is about to end. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, take care, and Allah Hafiz, and thanks for watching this video till the end.